So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out cause you kept cutting the cord, and I started to fade into your
赤穂City in Hyogo Prefecture has a history of the 47 ruining of赤穂. In the early 18th century, Asano Takumi no Kami was sentenced to seppuku, which is Japanese traditional ritual suicide, for slashing at Kirakozuke no Suke at the Edo Castle. In place of the deceased monarch, 47 of his retainers attacked Kirakozuke no Suke, after which all of them committed seppuku.
The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. The future is now. The future is now. I waited for you in the passenger seat. There's only so far I can ride in your dreams, while you were chasing
A
everything else
15-minute
but
drive
me.
from Oishi
I'm
Shrine
starting
and the
to
ruins
pray.
of赤穂Castle
I feel
will
no
take you to
pain.
Iwatsukime Shrine and the Kirakira Zaka, called in Japanese, which means sparkling hill. Nautical safety, good luck, and a retold slope that leads to the ocean. This is a spot where you can feel the history and nature.
The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. The future is now. I'm not backing down, cause the future is now. Not backing down, cause the future is now.